If you're looking for a quick home healthy hangover fixer, then look no further. This healthy morning green juice is for you. Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make this healthy morning green juice to fix hangover fast. With no preservatives, no additives. This is celery. Ensure you wash thoroughly because of the dirt that comes with it. Now, celery is very water-based. Yes, rich in not just ordinary water, but water with relevant nutrients and electrolytes that will help fix hangover fast. Did you know from time immemorial, from ancient times, that parsley has been identified as having the relevant nutrients to sort out hangover? Yes, parsley is a natural detoxifier that helps to detoxify the liver and also relieve headaches and nausea, all as a result of hangover. Next is ginger, a superfood loaded with anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that will help put a calm to the stomach as a result of the impact of alcohol on the body. Now, another careful selection is pineapple. I have this as a leftover from previous use. So pineapple in this juice will not only sweeten the juice to make it palatable, it also contains the relevant nutrients to help reduce the level of inflammation that occurs in the body as a result of hangover. It will also help to level out blood sugar naturally and relieve the headaches and dizziness that comes with hangover. Like I mentioned earlier, celery stalks are very healthy, very water rich, but a lot of times they come in their packs really dirty. So don't relax. I prefer to wash with clean water and clean sponge, just as you're watching on the screen. Generally, make sure you prep all your fruits and vegetables in a clean environment with clean water and utensils. Very vital. Now, let's juice. It's juicing time. Oh, now, just take a look at this jug. This jug of good health. The perfect morning green juice that will detoxify and cleanse you from the impact of excessive alcohol. It is the perfect hangover fixer. Made from fresh fruits and vegetables readily available from your grocery shop, is easy to make. Make food your medicine. Make food your medicine, I say. Anyway, until I see you next time, I'm taking this morning juice to work for the right start of a new day. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed, then it's time to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share. Until I see you next time, I repeat it again. Make food your medicine. Make food your medicine. Bye bye. Don't forget to click on these other recipes popping up. I'm sure you'll find them useful. Bye.